You what, darling?
I know what you're doing.
I am been working hard and missing
I
you.
don't know what things you're doing.
You what?
I don't know what things you're doing.
What?
Hello?
I can't understand you sometimes.
Yes, you can.
Yeah, you cheeky boy.
Yes, you can. Mom?
Yeah. Oh, I love you so much.
Hello?
Hello?
What is?
I am making a video.
What is it? Can you do that the article? Because I'm serious.
The light.
Give me that. Hang up and call again.
Oh, you want to try and do a video call?
How long one day that I cannot see it? Hi.
Hello?
I want a vehicle so I can see it. Your phone's broken and I'm not telling you again, woman.
He's saying it to... Oh, God.
When the phone works, have a video today.
Hello.
Hello?
I've ordered a new phone, alright? This phone does not do video calls for the last time, Amy. Seriously, like, take yourself lucky that I just called you back today because it's not your day. You've screwed up every single day.
No, I haven't, Alex.
I feel sorry for him.
No, I haven't, Alex.
Do a video call because it doesn't work on this phone.
Alex, no, I haven't. Okay?
Hey, Dad. Hey, Carl.
Oh, don't worry about it, darling. They're just cranky people. Don't worry about it. You'll be back with me soon, darling.
No, I
Yes, you will.
No, I
Yes, you will. Of course you will. Huh?
Dad, right. My dad, right.
Why not?
You can't keep me.
I can't keep you. I wouldn't do that.
You gotta park down this road.
Huh?
You can see it. If you gotta park down the road and you can see it. It's just near the house too. It's okay.
Say again, darling.
Just go home and go to the road. Yeah?
Do you live near Daddy's? Do you live near Granddad?
What's that?
Are you near Granddad?
What's that?
Where are you?
I'm at the house.
At the house.
And my mom goes down. And I run and play at the park. Okay? Can play with it.
You gonna meet me at the park?
Yeah.
I'll meet you at the park. I'll meet you at the park any day.
Here.
Yeah?
Here.
Yeah? Sure, of course.
Yeah.
Honey, I don't know where you are.
What?
I don't know where you are.
It's long not. It's long grass.
It's a long drive.
1 minute and a half. 1 minute two. That's a good one. Then another turn. I got you. And cover it.
Yeah, honey. Did you get your teeth fixed?
What's that?
Did you get your teeth fixed?
What's that?
Your teeth.
What's
you-
that?
did you- Did you go to the dentist?
No.
No. Did you get your jabs?
What's that?
Did you get your immunization?
What's that?
Did you get your immunization so you can go to school? Did you?
No.
No.
Okay?
It's all right, darling.
There's my
Doesn't want you to break his phone.
No.
I've been trying to send you a phone.
What's my dad's code on it?
It's what?
Can you put the code on your stuff and I can hear you?
Yeah.
And can say, hello?
Can you take a picture, darling?
No, I can do that.
Oi, can you take a listen, can you, Declan,
What?
can you take a picture? Do you know how to take a picture?
My God.
Oh. Well, maybe you should learn how to take...
I can do on this one.
Do you know...
I can't, my dad's phone, I can't touch this camera.
Can you read the letters? Can you read letters?
That?